Did you know? Inside your body cells, there's a tiny power plants called mitochondria that produce over 90% of the energy your body uses. Basically, mitochondria is the major source of your energy. Your cells need energy to do their jobs. Now, that's where mitochondria come in. They're like the battery chargers. They take in tiny pieces of food and oxygen and turn them into energy that the body cells can use, called adenosine triphosphate or ATP. When mitochondria are damaged, or if these energy engines don't get the nutrient that they need, you'll start feeling tired, fatigue, pain, exhausted. No matter how much sleep you get, mitochondria can be damaged by various factors. One of the main causes is oxidative stress, environmental toxins, certain medications, poor diet, infections, and chronic diseases. So in today's video, we're going to talk about the 3 important vitamins that help increase your energy levels naturally and feel energized in a short period of time. And all sharing with you my favorite recipes that you can include in your diets on a daily basis, quick and easy. Just a quick reminder, this video is for information purposes only. The first vitamin we're going to talk about is Coenzyme Q10. Coenzyme Q10 has a great record, is involved in energy production and acts as effective antioxidant and plays a crucial role in neutralizing free radicals, protecting cells from oxidative stress and lowering the risk of developing chronic diseases, and can help with inflammation as well. Researchers believe that CoQ10 supports cardiovascular health by preventing hypertension, improving circulation, and supporting overall heart health. As well as maintaining healthy cholesterol levels, it may also promote healthy endothelial function, which is the key to maintaining a healthy circulatory system. Fortunately, you can boost your CoQ10 levels naturally by consuming certain foods such as salmon, organ meats, spinach, nuts, seeds, soy, and more. Next up is thiamine. Thiamine, or vitamin B1, is an essential water-soluble nutrient which is turning food into energy and for protecting the nervous system and brain against free radical damage. It plays a key role in energy metabolism and supports mitochondrial function. As well as thiamine is involved in several basic cell functions. A deficiency can cause various problems in the brain and heart, which require constant energy sources to function. Your body is not able to make thiamine for itself and cannot be stored in your body. You must consume them daily. Luckily, vitamin B1 can be found naturally in certain foods such as pork, fish, seeds, nuts, beans, green peas, tofu, brown rice, squash, asparagus, and seafood. Next, vitamin B2, riboflavin. Riboflavin is considered a vital component of mitochondrial energy production. It helps break down proteins, fats, and carbohydrates and convert them into energy. Vitamin B2 also plays a vital role in maintaining the body's energy supply. A small amount of riboflavin is produced by healthy bacteria in your gut microbiome. But your body needs more to function properly. That's why it's important to get enough of this B vitamin in your diet every day. A group of Kobe University researchers have revealed that adding vitamin B2 to cells that were stressed due to aging increases the mitochondria's ability to produce energy and prevents cell aging. Riboflavin deficiency can cause fatigue, swollen throat, blurred vision, and depression. It might also make your skin crack, itch, or get irritated around your mouth. Your throat can become red and swollen. Your liver might not work as well. Some of the foods that are rich in riboflavin include eggs, organ meats, kidneys and liver, lean meats, milk, mushroom, and almonds. Now let's have a look at how you can boost your energy level naturally. Here are some of my favorite recipes, quick and easy to make. First up, energy boosting drink. This energy drink can keep you full and energized throughout the day. You will need 1 green apples unpeeled, 3 stalks of celery, handful of spinach, fresh ginger 1-2 inches, 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Put them in the high-speed blender and blend until smooth. This should not take longer than 1 minute. The next recipe is fried egg and greens. Eggs and greens are a perfect combination of protein and veggies to energize you all day long. Ingredients: half of diced onion, 1 teaspoon coconut oil, 1 cup finely diced broccoli, 2 cups each diced chard and spinach, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, half of avocado sliced, 1 egg, half teaspoon of red pepper flakes. Preparation: sauté onion in coconut oil until translucent, then add broccoli and cook another 5 more minutes. Then add chard, spinach, and soy sauce. Cook until greens wilt. This take about 2 minutes. Serve with avocado and top with fried egg and red pepper flakes. What's about foods that can deplete your energy by damaging your mitochondria? 1. Excessive sugar. We're all aware that too much sugar isn't great for our health, but here's another reason to be cautious. When you consume excess sugar, your mitochondria struggle to use it efficiently for energy. Instead, the excess sugar tends to get stored as fat and can produce harmful free radicals in the process. 2. Pesticides. You might be surprised to learn that many of the toxins from pesticides can find their way into your body through fruits, vegetables, and some animal products. Unfortunately, these toxins can cause significant damage to your mitochondria. Whenever possible, consider opting for organic, locally sourced, and spray-free produce, as well as pasture-raised animal products. 3. Refined grains. Simple carbohydrates like white flour and rice behave similarly to sugar in your body since they quickly convert to glucose after digestion. Mitochondria tend to function better on a diet that's lower in carbohydrates, allowing them to produce energy in a more stable, efficient, and long-lasting manner. 4. Fructose. We're not suggesting that you stop eating fruit altogether. That wouldn't be a healthy choice. However, it's essential to know that fructose, the natural sugar found in fruit, can actually hinder the production of cellular energy rather than promote it. Try to focus on consuming whole, fresh fruits and reduce your intake of fruit juices and products with added fructose syrups whenever possible. Thank you so much if you're still here. Don't forget to subscribe to be notified any new video. See us soon.